Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn English conversation, it helps to know the common English phrases that native speakers use to answer questions. Here are 20 the most common questions in English, each one with 5 sample answers. General English conversation questions. 1. What do you do? This question means, what is your job/profession? I'm a student. I work in a bank. I'm unemployed at the moment. I run my own business. The word run means you are the primary person responsible for operating the business. I'm retired now. I used to be an engineer. Retired means you have stopped working, usually after you are 60 or 65 years old. Are you married? Yes, I've been married for 2 years now. I'm divorced. I'm engaged, we're getting married next year. No, but I'm in a relationship. Nope, I'm single. Nope is an informal way to say no. Why are you studying English? There are various answers. For work. So I can communicate when I travel. I love learning new languages. Because I'd like to immigrate to the US. I'm thinking of studying in England. The correct way is thinking of studying and not thinking to study. Where did you learn English? Or, how did you learn English? I took classes for 3 years. I did an intensive course. I've been studying on my own. You can also say studying by myself. I picked it up from movies and songs. In this context, picked it up means learned it casually. My girlfriend taught me. What do you do in your free time? I don't have any free time. I usually hang out with friends. Hang out means to spend time in an informal way. I go running a lot. I do volunteer work. I like reading and relaxing at home. What's the weather like? How's the weather? Hot and humid. Humid means there is a lot of water vapor in the air. It's pouring, take an umbrella. Pouring means raining very heavily. A little chilly, you might want to bring a jacket. Chilly means a little bit cold. Gorgeous, a perfect summer day. It's quite cold, make sure to bundle up. Bundle up means to wear warm clothing for protection against the cold. What time is it? Do you have the time? It's 10 o'clock. It's 4:30. This means 4:30. It's 11:45. A quarter is 15 minutes, so this means 11:45. Let me check my phone. Sorry, I don't know. Can I help you? Do you need any help? This is a question that you might hear from an employee or salesperson in a store. No thanks, I'm just browsing. Browsing means looking casually at the items. Yes, do you have this in a larger size? Yes, where are the try-on rooms? Try-on rooms means the place where you can put on the clothes to see if they are the right size and if you like them. Yeah, can you tell me how much this is? Yeah, I'm looking for something under $30. How's it going? Great. Couldn't be better. This means that everything is excellent. Fine. How are things with you? Not bad. This means that things are okay. I can't complain. Do you really want to know? Normally when people ask how's it going, they expect a positive response like fine or good. If you say, do you really want to know, it means that things are going badly, but you are not sure if the other person wants to listen to your problems or not. How are you feeling? Great. Never better. I'm all right. Like I need a vacation. A little depressed. Really awful. You can say you're feeling awful for both physical and emotional pain. How was your day? Really good. Pretty uneventful. This means that nothing particularly special or interesting happened during the day. Very productive. Super busy. A total nightmare. A nightmare is a terrible, scary dream. Describing an experience as a nightmare means it was horrible. Did you like the movie? It was fantastic. It was terrible. It wasn't bad. It's one of the best I've ever seen. No, I didn't think it lived up to the hype. This means the movie was not as good as its publicity presented. Is everything okay? While you are eating, the waiter/waitress will often come to your table and ask this question to check if you need anything. Yes, everything's fine, thanks. It's all delicious. Could we have some more water, please? Could we have, is a polite way to ask for something. Actually, I'm still waiting for my side dish. A side dish is a small portion of food that accompanies the main meal. To be honest, my food is kinda cold. Could you heat it up? To be honest, is a diplomatic way to introduce a complaint or negative comment. Can I get you anything else? The waiter/waitress will probably ask you this after you have finished eating. 2 decaf coffees, please. Decaf coffee is coffee with no caffeine. Just the check, please. The check is the list of items and the total price to pay. Could I have a look at the dessert menu? I'll have a slice of apple pie. A slice is a single piece of a pie, cake, or pizza. No thanks, I think we're just about done. What's the matter? This means, what's the problem? You can ask it to someone who appears sad or upset. Oh, I'm just having a rough day. A rough day means a difficult, bad day. I'm not feeling so good. I just found out my mother's in the hospital. The phrasal verb found out means discovered or heard some new information. I'd rather not talk about it. This means I'd prefer not to talk about it. Nothing, I'm fine. How was the party? Crazy, it was absolutely packed. Packed means it was crowded, there were very many people there. It was a good time. Small, but fun. There was hardly anybody there. Boring, I couldn't wait to get out of there. Can you give me a hand? This means, can you help me? Often with a physical task like moving furniture or carrying a box. Of course. I'd be glad to. Will it take long? Sure, just a sec. This means, just a second, you need the other person to wait one moment before you can help them. Sorry, I'm a bit busy at the moment. Are you ready to order? To order means to ask the waiter/waitress for the food you want to eat. Not quite, I think we need a little more time. What are the specials today? Specials are featured dishes that might also have a discount. Yes, I'll have a Caesar salad and then the baked chicken with potatoes. The most common way to order food is to say, I'll have. To start off, we'll split an order of nachos. To start off means you are ordering an appetizer, small amount of food eaten before the main meal. Split means that 2 or more people will share/divide one order of food. Almost, I just have a couple of questions. What would you like to drink? Iced tea, please. Just water for me. What do you have? Could we see the wine list? Nothing for me, thanks. What have you been up to lately? This question means, what have you been doing recently? You can answer it in the present perfect continuous. I've been working a lot. Mostly studying. I've been taking it easy. This means relaxing, not doing anything intense or stressful. Planning my summer vacation. Nothing much. You know these English phrases, you can be more confident when speaking English in everyday conversations. Thanks for joining me today and letting me share your question if any. Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.